guys, Randall needs your supportive words right now. He's getting fed up with cars. He's mad at the Supra, and he's mad at this thing over here, but that's nothing. He really needs your words of encouragement right now.
I don't hear anything, so I guess they want me to sell it too. Or firebomb it.
Yeah, so today we're going to continue working on the 7M. Goal that probably won't be met today is to start it. But we'll see how it goes. We're going to, start hooking everything back up. So we probably won't show a lot of it because it's just boring stuff. It's just hooking everything back up, which, like I've said before in the last video, you've seen us do it before. So go back and watch our old videos that aren't that old, like 7 months ago. But anyway, we're going to get to work and try and get as much done as we can. Maybe there's a slight 1% chance of us firing this up today. Status update. Motor mounts are tight. Randall spent a good part of the morning making this here oil drain line. Let me turn this on. Randall spent a good morning making this oil drain line.
Good morning.
But it doesn't fit because the exhaust housing is hitting the AM line. So now we're just plugging stuff in to make it look like we did something. But yeah, it's not starting today. Sorry. That 1% chance turned to 0.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah. Well, about 2 weeks have passed since the last time we filmed, and Super still isn't running. Instead, we're converting it into a swimming pool. Custom, yeah. Taking out the Targa, putting in a pool. No, but Randall has been working tirelessly, trying to get all the little stuff done. And they're still not done. But today we're gonna continue on. We're gonna push forward and try and get this thing running. Notice I didn't say today because you know what happens. But yeah, we got a bunch of little stuff to do. He's got a list. There's a list. Bunch of little stuff. Bunch of little stuff that equal big stuff. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyway.
They add up.
They add up, yes. That's what I was trying to get at. Time consuming, boring stuff that we're probably not going to film. We're just going to try and get it done. No, it may not look like it, but we are chopping down this list. Kinda. Still have a little bit to do, but it's a bunch of, little stuff. Well, we have discovered a slight problem. We have been making a lot of progress. Exhaust is bolted up, downpipe's on, wiring is through the firewall. All the stuff up here is pretty much done, but as Randall was tightening up the transmission mount, he discovered a hole about this big in his transmission pan. So that's causing a little hiccup. But yeah, we're so close to getting this started. But that's gonna wrap it up. Unfortunately, we didn't get it started today, but this stuff happens. So like I said, next weekend.
Maybe next weekend. Maybe next week. We'll get a running video. Don't know how far it'll be moving, but maybe it'll be running.
Yeah, at least running.
And then hopefully we can get back on the Conquest.
Yeah.
And start on the wiring at least.
Yeah, get everything laid out and
labeled
and get it where I want it to go, and probably mount up the ECU to where it is going to be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you next week. I know we've been slack of our weekly videos, but stuff happens.
Even though we have more cars now. We have more cars than we do.
We have 3 cars on the channel now, so we should be, spitting out content left and right. But
it's hot.
It's hot, and life. Yeah, we'll get back to it one day. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye, folks.
Peace.